Hello guys. Um, as I told in my last video, today I'll be showing you how to code entries. Entries are useful when you need the user to write some data. Oh, sorry. To write some data. And that data is useful to do some actions. So let's get started. And I have the code already. I have already wrote the code because I was recording the last video and I didn't notice, but it wasn't recording, so I already have the code here. I'm not writing it again, so I'm explaining it. And as I told in my last video, we need to import it and then define our main window. There is tk.tk, and this creates a main window with the name root. And then we define the geometry of the window, and then we define the title of the window. Yeah, we know all that. And we write root.mainLoop to show the window. Next thing is to set our variable. Here's the variable. This variable is where all our data is going to be stored. The variable can be a numerical type, alphanumerical type, or just numerical type, or alphabetic. These are useful to store data, but it is not enough to just have the variable. We need to have an input. So for that that's why we use the entries. Here you can see a basic line of an entry. First we define the name of the entry and then equals tk.entry. This is the keyword for the entry. Then we define where we want to put our entry. In this case is root. And then we define where does its data is going to be stored. So we type text variable equals var. Var is this variable. And then we pack it to show it in our window. Then we define a simple action like this. I named it but. We already know how to do this. If you don't know, you can check my last video. It is a little bit long, but it is very useful. We type button in our window. The command is hi, and text of the button is hi. And then we show it in our window. And then we define hi, the command hi. But this is important. We can set this variable to another variable to make these things simpler and easier. We type name equals var.get. This line gets the data from this variable, all its data, and it automatically sorry, I forgot the word. And it automatically I forgot, but name is now equal to var.get. In other words, name equals the input. Okay? And then we print the name and we can run this. Okay, now you can see, and we can type our name here um, Steve, and we see in our console it wrote hi Steve. Another name, Terry, hi Terry. Vicente, hi Vicente. And yeah, as you can see, it is quite simple. You just have to know the basics and you can make a lot of things. So this is all for today. You can leave a like, subscribe, it's free, and you can help me a lot. You can help me you can help me to motivate me to make more videos and make my videos with more quality, because I know these videos are not that good. So if you can help me, I will appreciate it. So see you in the next video, and thanks for watching me.